fun, let's rhyme and play. Learning sounds every day. Sing each letter, make a sound. Phonics fun all around. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, lat. I is for insect, I. J is for jump, reaching high. Phonics fun, let's rhyme and play. Learning sounds every day. Sing each letter, make a sound. Phonics fun all around. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, roaring with might. M is for mouse, mouse. N is for nose, sniffing around the house. Phonics fun, let's rhyme and play. Learning sounds every day. Sing each letter, make a sound. Phonics fun all around. O is for octopus, oh. P is for pig, snorting low. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rainbow, so bright and green. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging with might. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for fan, zooming by. W is for water, splashing around. X is for xylophone, what a sound. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, striped like a crown. Final chord, we learned them all. Letters big and letters small. Sing each sound, you'll read so bright. Phonics fun, day and night.
Thank you for watching a Kitty's Educational World. Subscribe, like and share our videos.